Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to download code from Lovable AI. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you've already created a project in Lovable and that you're signed in with your account. And yeah, first you will have to open your Lovable.dev, of course, and you will have to go to the projects page, which you can find right here. It really depends on the version that you have. So yeah, if you do have already your project, then you will just go ahead and select the website project that you would want to download, and then you will look for the code tab or export option on the left side. Then you will click download code or export project depending on your plan. Then you will receive a zip file containing your full source code, and once downloaded, unzip the file and open it in your code editor such as VS Code. And you can now make manual changes and add custom scripts or host it on your preferred platform. And by the way, if you don't see the download option, make sure that you're on a paid plan that includes code export. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.